Hi there. Today I welcome you to a 15-minute presentation that aims to explore some of the prevalent social issues prevailing in education today. My name is Kayla, and with a strong desire to promote social equality and remove typical social stigmas, I plan to provide you with a brief overview and insight into the key parameters surrounding social class and inequality. More specifically, I intend to indulge into and explore in greater depth the common gender disparities that exist between men and women in the education context, as this sparked a remarkable interest to me after completing my final teaching rounds at a single-gendered female Catholic school. Last but not least, I plan to endorse the multicultural education by paying particular reference to promoting social equality within schools, respect for cultural diversity, and regard of the significance of the cross-curricular priority areas.